Next, we're gonna put some. What are we making?
Sugar. What's this?
It's a flour.
Flour.
One,
One and
two,
two. There's one more and three.
Don't mix it yet. We need to put the sugar first before mixing everything, okay? What's this?
Sugar. Sugars. Sugars.
Wait for mommy, ha? Okay. What's next? Can you read?
Baking flour with a bit.
It's okay. You don't have to read the French version. Just the English.
The English is ready. Yep.
Baking powder. Next is, this is, can you say baking soda? Baking soda.
Baking.
Soda.
Baking.
That should be
soda.
enough. That should be
Baking.
enough.
Baking.
Baking soda.
Sugars.
What's this?
Sugars. Salt.
Salt.
Salt. Salt. Salt. Salt. Salt. Salt.
Oh. Let's go. Okay. Mix it with the spatula, but don't overmix, ha? It's like this. Hold the other bowl, and then mix, and then mix.
The white dog is skipping the pink dog is skipping the banana bread. Mix, mix, stirring, stirring. Mixing.
Mixing. Mix. You like it? Do you like baking or cooking?
I'm baking.
Baking, okay. We're gonna put some. What's this? What do you call that? It's a
Mix it.
oatmeal. Can you say oatmeal?
Don't you? Oh,
So we're gonna put some. What's this? Can you read? Can you read this one?
twins.
Raisins. Raisins.
Put some sugar. Put some twins in the
Or mix.
mix. Like
You okay? Going to pour it on the. Hey, no, it's okay. Just look.
she's dipping this banana bread and pouring big. Pour, make it here.
Are you done? Breeze, we're gonna put some more toppings on top. Do you wanna put some toppings on top? Let's go, Breeze. Breeze. Here. No, do it like this. Sprinkle, sprinkle. There's some more.
She likes to eat. Then pour.
You like it?
She's
Wow.
pouring the
Oatmeal. I'll put the. No, I told you just one on one, just like this. You have to do it like this.
oat.
It's oatmeal with craisins. Can you say craisins? Craisins is yummy. Good job. Do you want to put some almonds on top? Almonds like this?
Yes, bacon. Oh,
Be gentle, okay? Don't put it one. Mm-hmm. Oh, there's some.
The
And now it's ready to
seat.
bake. See?